In meat processing, sanitation is non-negotiable. That's why every PPO smart imaging system is designed from the ground up to handle the toughest washdowns. Components are designed to allow cleaning through and around parts, and all wiring is specifically routed to prevent organic buildup.
Seals and seams are engineered to withstand both heat and pressure. Modified clean-in-place features help loosen internal debris, while a belt lifter gives you easy access for thorough cleaning. Sensitive electronics and computers are fully enclosed in IP69 K-rated housings, sealed tight against water, chemicals, and high-pressure cleaning. Demanding environments are no match for meticulous design. Every detail of the PPO Smart Imaging System is built for reliability, simplicity, and long-term performance. Visit us at ppo.ca to learn more.